Looking for my pen.
Here's one right here.
Oh, they're both on the floor.
Yeah. What's she gonna do?
Here, hold on to this. Like,
On some BWA shit. You don't even understand it. You know it's hard out here, nigga, but hey, I'm about to kill this right here, nigga. Out here getting this money. Nigga, I don't give a fuck what you say, you acting like it's funny. Nigga, I need that money. Gotta support my family. Nigga, I gotta make sure the ones I care about eating for me. Nigga, you know I ain't flexing with you. I'm just fucking bullshitting, nigga, with your motherfucking ass. I don't give a shit, bitch. I'm gonna grab your bitch's ass and I'll squeeze her fucking tears. What's up with it? Don't give a shit. Nigga, I'll come out with them hits. I don't give a fuck. Drizzy hop out, got the extended fucking clips. AK-47, Mac 11, I don't give a fuck. What's up with it? Nigga, hit you with the uppercut. Montezzi on the left, he fucking swerving around like this. Yeah, sipping on that motherfucking Grey Goose, what you know. BWA shit, nigga, slit your throat. Fuck, I don't know. I'm not trying to be that dark, but shit, if you catch me in the alleyway, in the dark, you gonna get fucking sparked. I don't give a fuck, light my heater on. What's up with it, nigga? Here's a song. I don't know. Alright, here we go. Right here, nigga. Alright. Yeah. Sibo. Yeah. Hey Drizzy, fill up that fucking double cup. Trying to get some more lean in my motherfucking system, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You gotta feel that shit. But hey, guess what? If these bitches fuck with us, nigga, we'll fucking send them issues. Straight off the dome, I don't give a fuck, nigga. I don't give a fuck what you... I don't know. Fuck it anyway. Nigga, I'm flipping bricks, nigga, getting paid. Pull up in Lambos, suicide doors. What's up with it, nigga? My engine roar. You don't wanna hear that thing go click, clack, bang. It'll hit you up. Run up in your house. Where's the duct tape? Tape you up. Wake the fuck up. What's the combo to the safe? I'm gonna need that money. I'm gonna break this motherfucking pistol over your motherfucking face. I don't give a shit. I can be dark, but I ain't got no heart. I lost that after getting fucked over plenty times, yo. CRIP, you know what the fuck it is, that's what I be. I'm a white boy from the motherfucking streets, 405 homie G. Just to be exact, don't fuck with me, nigga, click clack. I'ma hit you back with the motherfucking semi-automatic. Nigga think we playing all black, nigga doing our thing. Slipping in there like ninjas, we gon' get our fucking fame. I don't know, nigga, fuck.